I am one of the founders and the CEO of a preclinical stage biotech company here at the Deliver Biosciences Catalyst called Deliver Biosciences. My job as a CEO is not just about talking about your company to external stakeholders or even internally, but it's also making sure that everything that you're doing is falling into place. What we do is essentially developing nanoparticle-based delivery vectors which allow us for cellular reprogramming inside patients. There's a huge challenge around the manufacturing of cell and gene therapies, which are essentially curative treatment options that have saved a lot of lives, especially for cancer patients right now. So each therapy right now costs over £500,000 per patient per dose, which, as you can imagine, for a public healthcare system like the NHS is a huge burden. So as a result, these therapies are only given to patients that are really, really sick, who have failed all the other treatment options. So what we came up with at Deliver Bio was essentially a way to create these therapies directly inside patients so that they do not take a really long time to manufacture. So currently it takes around 6 to 8 weeks. We are scaling it down to at least 2 to 3 days, if not faster. As I said, the cost of these therapies is around £500,000 per patient per dose. We're trying to bring it down at least tenfold, so around 50,000-60,000 mark. And with the sole vision of making these therapies accessible to as many patients as possible. Being part of the community has been great because it is one of the largest cell and gene therapy clusters around the world, actually, especially in the UK. So meeting other companies that are doing similar things to us has been really, really helpful. Because again, we are one of the younger companies here, so it has been really helpful for us to talk to people who've gone down the same path as we are planning to in the next few years.